Hello everyone! Today we are going to practice English speaking through daily routine vocabularies. Let's go! Wake up. I usually wake up early in the morning. Take a shower. We need to take a shower before we go out. Brush your teeth. You have to brush your teeth every day. Brush your hair. Brush your hair before you hang out. Wash your face. You should wash your face twice a day. Get dressed. I'm going downstairs and get dressed. Eat breakfast. Usually I eat breakfast alone. Cook food. My mother cooks food for us at home. Do housework. My sister and I always do housework at weekends. Go to work. I go to work at office at 8 o'clock. Wash the dishes. I wash the dishes after finishing my breakfast. Do laundry. My mom asked me to do laundry. Eat lunch. I eat lunch with my parents at the backyard. Watch TV. My friend always come to watch TV with me. Eat dinner. Tonight I eat dinner with my big family. Go to bed. I usually go to bed late night. Water the plants. Remember to water your plants every morning. Cut the grass. You can cut the grass with a robot mower. Ironing clothes. He spends a lot of time ironing his clothes. Read the news. He takes his free time to read the news. Take a taxi. I can take a taxi by myself. Rake the leaves. I help my mom to rake the leaves around my house. Walking the dog. I love walking my dog in the park. Paint the house. We happily paint our house together. Put on makeup. She puts on her makeup before she gets out. Go shopping. My little sister likes to go shopping. Play with friends. My daughter plays with her friends at the park. Stay home. Stay home with me. I don't want you to get out. Get home. My brother always get home late night. Go for a walk. I usually go for a walk once a week. Take a nap. I feel tired. I want to take a nap a little while. Take photos. I love to take my photos and send it to my friends. Take a selfie. I love to take a selfie with my pet.